Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Don't move! Don't move!
What up, gang? I'm back with another video. I say I'm back with another video. Make sure you hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Yes, I said subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. It's free. Do it for me. This your boy Music 101, the street reporter, and I'm back with another video. Let's get into it. It's a video going around of YSL Woody laid out in the middle of the street, unresponsive, face covered in blood. Now y'all already know people going with the narrative, oh, he was shot, the ops got him. Nah, what I'm hearing is he got into a bad ATV accident. He was just on four-wheelers a couple of hours ago riding, doing tricks and etc. They saying that Woody and someone else got into a bad ATV accident, and in this video, you could see him face covered in blood, unresponsive. As of right now, I don't know how he doing, but y'all already know. When I get more updates, I'm gonna give it to you. But if you want to see the uncensored version, go to my Instagram. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on all post notifications. It's free. Do it for me.
Put up! Show out on him!
Yeah, like a fish, he want a little dose of the fame. 10 times harder, lost my dog, go 10 times harder. Stole my break, got 10 times smarter. They no weed in him, like blocking my supreme. First you seen her praying with me, now she only wants Celine.
Me, how a nigga get it? I recall. Louis Gucci, brand new Celine, bitch can get all that. Bitch, I cut from it, keep it 100, fuck wet. Reels out, shit ain't sprayed either. That's that nigga pack. Run up if you want, bro, day. I'ma drop it flat. Grew up watching Extra Bar. Really seen a Metrotron. Mechanic via Megatron. Real short, mega gun. Real gangster win and win. Lows in, get your son. Catch a case, mate, run. Polish still on the run.
Family so big, can't even fit in the parking spot. Please talk about my niggas and what you talking about. Can't move inside, nigga, I don't talk a lot. I don't say a word. I don't say a word. Fuck, nigga.
I got line hard, I've been flying out of time for it. So freaky, she start ripping on my tongue for it. She came with a group of friends and they all gone. Takes out of my grass, need a lawnmower.
Rabbits in no city, broken bones, sing along, scavenge off the gun. Looking if you blinking, you'll be ducking, and you get you broke. In my eyes, you like a mom, I think you stop my fuck you. Oh, you almost lost that bitch. That motherfucker lit.
Promo alert. Today is the Chill Show. Make sure y'all go follow him on Instagram. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit that like button. Comment and let him know I sent you. He just dropped a banger interview with Gangsta Williams. Yes, Birdman brother, Mr. Answer Right Back. He just dropped a dope interview with him. And when I tell y'all he asks questions that I haven't seen anybody ask Gangsta, he got the tea, man. So make sure Y'all go check it out. The link will be down below. He also have more dope interviews coming. Make sure y'all check him out, man, because he give y'all clips of the interviews on his Instagram. And he let y'all know what's next to come. But right now, the YouTube link is down in the comment section. Get in the comments, go watch the interview, and let them know who y'all want to see next.
BG just come home. He come home on one.
Yeah.
He cussed Wayne out in the song him and Finesse 2 Time called Wayne the B word. Yeah, man. So me and BG went at it. I ain't gonna lie, bro. When me and BG went at it that month, I made $18,000 that month. Man, listen, that's why I was like, I don't know, be our friend. I'm gonna be out smoke, man. I'm proud of you, bro.
Wayne, you better not say shit.
Let me tell you something, bro. I done did a video on Wayne. He ain't jump out there. I done did a video of this with Juvie. He ain't jump out there. I be hoping they jump out there, bro.
Yeah.
So one day this don't bite.
Promo alert, promo alert, promo alert. Today is Evil Sins TV. Make sure you go follow him on Instagram. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit that like button. Comment and let him know I sent you. Y'all want dope interviews? Y'all talking about no filter? Y'all thought Charleston White was crazy. He worse. Hey, listen, I can't make this up. He just did an interview with Pimpin' Ken. And when I say he demolished Pimpin' Ken, I thought they was finna fight. And he just dropped one with 607 and King Yellow. The link will be down below. Make sure you go check it out, because I promise you don't want to miss it.
Like Takeoff. I don't give a f the Takeoff died. Every song Takeoff killed 10 niggas. Shit sound good as hell. But the kid of the nigga, the shoot at the head of the blow. I love that.
Hey, do me a favor. Look down right there to the bottom left and hit that like button for me. Hit that like button right there. I appreciate it. I continue watching. Promo alert. If you need promo, DM me on Instagram at music101CEO. $30 for one promo video on my YouTube. $50 for 3 promo videos on my YouTube. $70 for 6 promo videos on my YouTube. And $130 for 12 promo videos on my YouTube channel. Make sure y'all tap in and get that promo if you want to win. Charleston White, Brick Baby, Loose Cannon, coming to the ultimate.
Five step, I'm the leader of this 8 shit.